If you go to your custom domains, you will see that it is now a managed domain. We would need to change the managed domain into a federated domain so that every authentication request which ends up in Azure will be forwarded to Star. In Star, we would need to log in. And then we would need to add the Office 365 application. Download the metadata, which we will use for the federation. And click on Help Documentation. And in the help documentation section, you can find the script, what we need in order to federate the domain. Launch a PowerShell, and from the PowerShell, you can start the script. The script will check a few things to see if everything is okay, and then it will show you a few options. Option 1, federate the domain. Log in to the Azure environment. Option 3, which is your custom domain. Use the metadata which we've downloaded in the previous step. And now the domain is federated. The next thing you would need to do is assign the template to all users or to a specific group. Then you would need to go to the policy editor and create a policy. All users going to Office need to authenticate with their password as well as with their OTP. And if you want, you can use several conditions as an exception. I'm not going to use that in this case. Within Microsoft, the only thing you would need to check is to see if the domain is indeed federated now, which you can see here. And for the demo, we launch Teams and we log on with our UPN. We get redirected to Star. And Star will ask us for the domain password, which we have configured in the policy, and also approving a push notification on our phone. And then when that is done, you can see that Teams is logging in. And on Star, you can see the authentication request if you go to the access logs. And then here you see the Thales user successfully authenticated to the Office application by using a password and an OTP token.